Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's comedy, it's a very hilarious one. Go grab your popcorn as usual. Because what you're about to watch, it's very hilarious. Like very hilarious. You know me now. My comedy must be hilarious. You cannot watch my comedy and don't laugh. Alright guys, without further ado, let's quickly dive into this comedy video. Yo guys, let's go man. This is not going to be easy. Going to be tough. Always getting himself into very big trouble. Let's see what will happen on this one.
This man!
What a wickedness, what an evil act is this? Look at, they even planned it. Oh, this is a plan work. We did not forget something. It's as if you're still 1,000 naira for a phone worth about 90,000 naira. This one will. Which one they come most shoot again?
Jesus.
I think that is blood. The men get pepper.
So, Ben, have you seen my brother?
Oh my God.
Huh? Jesus!
The men are suddenly causing epilepsy.
What happened? What happened?
It's a mess. Oh my God. It's a mess.
Jesus. What happened now?
In the same time,
That guy is the most wicked person on this earth. How would you do such a thing to a human being?
Fine boy. You're looking good though.
Were you expecting me to look bad before? What are you doing inside the bush?
I'm a ghost. But Konji they hold me for where they rest in peace. I beg. If you can't satisfy me, so I go back and rest in peace.
What? Ghost wear designer. Chai. You see that piece where they find it? You will never see. You will never see that piece.
La caca.
My daughter, my son. You're welcome.
So Baba,
Yes.
we think I come here today be say my boyfriend, our two don't say where we don't date. I love the boy die. So I want me help me tie the boy so that he not go love another person. Make only me day I
Jesus.
and wait to make me come here today be that.
You want to time? You will just give me his picture. That's all.
Yeah.
Picture. No need for picture now. Na me she die soon now. Na me say me she tie me. Hey! Na me put the suggestion. If I tell you this when this girl don't do for me. Even when I Baba, when I even go serve my NYC, now mother they send Gary call give me for Oshogbo. Where for this? You know reach for them to lock me.
Blood of Jesus. This is impossible.
You sure say you never tell this boy?
This is impossible.
Na love.
Hey! Iba oh, Iba oh.
La caca. Jesus.
Oh!
Abomination. What do you do?
Baba, I won't lock myself. You dey waste time.
Jesus.
Chai.
The man
How
is willing
much
to do it.
is in my account?
You have 73 billion naira in your imagination account.
Hey!
I mean my bank account.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I can't say it in public.
The AI does not want to call your hand. You should be grateful to the AI, not me.
Small boy, how are you?
They fine.
Come on, this one became fine.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Now wait. This uncle now. Say uncle good morning.
Yeah, how are you?
You
like me?
Yeah, he like you.
Small boy.
Say uncle anything for the boys. Uncle, you say anything for the boys.
Just hold on, you go for hold on.
Okay. Uncle, he said.
What's happening now? Come on, let's not think this again. It's for the boys. Small people like that. Come on, don't reach boys.
See, it's because I like you. Let me just tell you this. Any man that sleeps with me will start facing financial issues in their business.
I get work, climb bed.
I'm serious.
We just pray.
Oh my God, what am I watching tonight?
Your sister's boyfriend, right?
Yes.
Why you dey leak mouth now? Man, no waste time. They send me a contest you, but the way you dey do now, you go now come in. Man, you tell and say you pass the test. No worry, no need.
Come now.
You say?
Come test me.
No need. No worry, sir.
No, you know, but just come.
I say I don't want test again now.
I be faithful boyfriend.
They look me from head to toe. They
I
leak
just
mouth.
say the last time person wey she sent come carry belly.
Okay. I'll tell her say you faithful. No worry.
No, I'm not faithful.
Yeah.
How far you?
Please, so if you're a man and you know you can eat my money, indicate, please, because more think I'm saying, shebi at the end of the day I go marry Abi. So when someone can use all this money where they make to do nothing. I beg. If you know you can eat my money, come and take it. I beg. Me I don't tire. They say they make money. What do you want to do? I don't know. Come and take it. They say even they do 220 if I do videos. Okay, 220. Okay, very good. I don't do them. If you can eat my money, indicate. I beg.
Officer, no worry, I'll do one for you. I dey come, I dey with you. I dey get network issue, I will not do one for you, sis now.
You go do one for me.
I will do one.
If they get network issue, every time I go do one. I go come today, I will come tomorrow. And you go pass through again, no. Nonsense. All these small Yahoo boys, don't worry.
Officer, this is where they para like this will make you vex.
Yes, do I know you?
Officer, you never reach like that now.
Did you want me to combine you in this vicinity?
Officer, you come the last time say you won't come carry me. I won't hear back from you again. Don't say you did okay.
This evening you touch my face. You touch the Nigerian police officer in the face. Are you okay? You sabi fight, ba?
Just leave. All these keys, kung fu.
Jesus.
This is how you were down, man.
You be brotherhood or sisterhood?
I be brotherhood. I must to carry me for short time today. My money na 50K.
50,000?
Yes.
I go pay.
God have mercy.
They're not going before we can pay.
Laila illallah.
You know that shame. No the shame. Me I got just drop one pow. I want you one.
Alhamdulillah.
May God
Alhamdulillah.
make them kill you.
Once I say first, you go first pass. Go. Come on. I say go.
How do you expect someone to drive fast when you hit someone bad outside there? If I was the one, I wouldn't drive. I would not go.
Active. I'm on my phone, just fall inside. I go suck and dry.
What's going on in this country?
Down south, hood baby. Make all the girls go crazy, go stupid. Look, down to the side, why got me feeling?
This water dey salty. Hey, you talk say this phone fall again.
Now inside my toilet.
What have I done with myself?
No worry. Now just small shit. Been there.
God damn it.
Ogga, you wake up, I beg. Ogga, you wake up, they don't break me.
God have mercy upon us.
Ogga, wake up, respect yourself, wake up and give me and then time don't go.
Where my phone?
Tell me where your phone. You want cash me thief?
I'm not a cash.
Okay, I beg, give me my money, man. Go a beg. No stress me, I beg. I don't like stress.
I tell the stress you now. Don't stress you just now.
I don't like stress. Pay me my money, please, I beg.
How much you talk?
Like 500k.
Ah.
How much you talk? 500k.
For what?
For this.
500,000. Me and you agree for the place yesterday.
For this.
When you don't drink for club, you don't know. Like 500k, Oga.
I don't drink for club. Me and you can agree 500,000.
Oga, na 500,000. Give me my money, I beg.
You don't do business with the person without drink. You can't talk in the talk.
So you want
disgrace me?
I will disgrace you.
You can disgrace me. If you disgrace me, I be like person that they disgrace. You can't talk in the talk.
More respect ourselves. I not get shame.
More disgrace ourselves. Who gon' get shame? Who get shame? What did you talk? Who get shame?
More they go.
Who don't want you?
How much you want me?
What is disgrace?
5,000 that you talk. If you say na 500,000, I cannot pay you 500,000.
For what?
You don't give me the 5k, I beg. I beg.
Collect the money
What
for
the fee they pay?
Money for drink? Yes.
Who buy drink
You with your friends.
Ha! Me and my friends.
1.2 million.
Oh, is it at the
I'm not carrying friends. So now you be like,
Ashawo Quarter.
Now you with your friends come here. You tell me say now you want pay.
When now only be now work. You know when I use bike. Now bike can take come here. Now
not be only you come. Now you with your friends come. Please.
Yes, you want some
money. I don't drink for you.
I beg me if I go pay my money. Never pay my money. I beg. I beg.
You look the room number. You look the room number.
Now the bill be this one.
He's not going to pay.
You be like this man like embarrassment. Well. This man they like embarrassment. Well.
1.2. I don't understand. What is this?
1.2 million 250.
How is it going to pay?
If you not pay my money,
if your own generation cannot afford that money.
You go pay me my money. Oh my.
Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, permit me to introduce you.
Wait, SK actually want to fight.
Buy and sell gift cards.
You were drunk last night and your friends came along with you to an Ashawo Quarter and you guys drank a lot and now you want to fight people. If they beat you, can't this your big head? You hear what? Let's wait for the next comedy and you're actually going to laugh out loud. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notification on the icon, and let's see this one from POV. When somebody speaks on your body and you don't want to embarrass those people, you don't want to embarrass that person, so that if Naomi is here to show us pattern how to deal with this kind of situation. I know a lot of you are facing this kind of thing when your friend will just be eating and some particle will be falling on your body. You like, oh God, by the time I will feel embarrassed. Look, you see the hand? The hand was moving slowly, using it to clean back the mumu body. Clean back the mumu body and move. It was like, how would you know?
You be correct guy.
Yes, now I tell you now.
10 Ghana must go now, don't take carry go out. Stay.
Tell us men deliver street.
100.
Yes, now.
This new washer, you are doing a very good job.
Yes, now, Mama, now. Me. Now BSG.
What is BSG?
I'm a baby servant of God now.
You are active. You are active.
Yes, now. I mean, I agree to bro. I don't deliver you. No, be you. That one. Yeah, no, be that one in deliverance. That one I deliver. Yes, I agree to you, bros. Now I deliver you. You understand? It is man. As I deliver you now, Mama. And duties are of the Lord.
You are active. You are active. Have you served the children food?
Eh?
The children department.
Yeah, in the church.
Have you seen a church that there is no children? We provided 5,000.
His lip is shiny. Why is his lip shiny now?
For adults.
Hey, I deliver this guy now. See, I'm going to. Why you do me like that? I deliver you. I cannot deliver you. I deliver you.
Since you've not given the children food, where is the food?
And the rest, I deliver this guy. I deliver that one. I deliver you. I deliver. I can't invite all these children.
And you did not give children.
I don't know the children in church. Nah.
Leave the road, let me see. Go and give the children. Go and bring.
I'm going to be drunk. No, me no fit. Me no fit go there.
Oh my God. Wisdom.
Usher. Go and bring.
Can never be trusted.
Me. Me, na baby usher. Me no be usher. I newly come.
I will call security for you.
For
I will call security for you.
The street jack for cha.
Go and carry my food. Let me go and give children.
I said it. He will move. He hates security. He hates police. He hates soldier. He hates Bakassi boys.
Listen, make them no try am. Make them no try am. You see all those boys where they carry diamond tester, they walk around the club. Make them no near me. Especially that one where they call a Google of Lagos. You know, say everything why they wear for my neck na iron. Now why it is I know they sit down near speaker for club. Make the thing no follow me, they drag my chain when I buy with my last card. That magnet will be inside.
I
don't buy Bellary. No worry yourself. I go find way smuggle and enter inside club.
Listen. Once you open the door, you enter inside, collect the bed. In bed, you enter, collect the television. Make sure you empty that room in seconds. Split of seconds, I want that room empty. Don't worry. You see, 2 seconds to bed in my house. I have tolerated this guy for too long. I have enjoyed you for too long. Where is Isbae?
My landlord.
Today, me and you, heaven will judge us today. I'm saying come outside. I have tolerated you for too long. Come outside. It's either you're paying me my rent today or you're leaving this house today.
Udwak, listen. Don't say anything. 1 million day my azana. I want send them for you. You understand? In the next 30 minutes, I will call you back. You just send me back to me.
Bro, I hope all is well.
Don't ask me any question. Just call your Aza.
Let's have it.
Come outside, I'm waiting for you.
Okay, sent. Confirm am. No worry, now my landlord voice is here. In the next 30 minutes, I will call you. Send it back to me.
Come on.
I beg, we're not people.
See, this man who
Are you sure this going to favor you?
Open the door for us.
Landlord. Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, another mission. Continue. Another story, new story. Start, Areya.
Landlord. No, I no get that your money to pay you. How much is this money we are talking about?
Jesus.
Hey, very papa, you are asking me how much is the money I'm talking about. Don't you know the amount? 150,000. It's in a beans. You know how much we block?
And just
no, I no get that your money to pay you. You understand? Oyibo people wey me and them do business. Worth 400 billion.
Are you playing?
Only at the job.
Not naira, dollars.
Hey!
They say they will pay me in 2 months' time. You can see my account balance. Look at it. 0. But in 2 months' time, waiting they enter this account now $400 billion. Landlord, do you know what? I'll give you ×2 of the money.
What's the meaning of that? What's the meaning of that? Do I look hungry to you? Do I look like a beggar to you? My friend, do your work.
I will make it 7 figure. That is 1 million naira.
You.
I will give you 500k.
God bless you, sir.
Landlord, please order them to leave.
Are you sure you're going to do this?
No, you guys can't.
Don't say what you cannot do.
We are discussing business now. We are in business now. So you were saying?
I promise you, you know, go past 2 months. 400 billion, and I'll wire you 7 figures.
My friend, enjoy yourself. Sorry for disturbing your peace.
No problem.
Enjoy your day.
Good man with a good heart.
This is to let you know that money solve all problems. Money is like is necessary for everyone.
Simply you will die.
Hello, Dwight. My G. Send me my 1 million naira back immediately. My plan don't work. Listen, you go help me book pickup keep by 2 a.m. early in the morning sharp. As I come back from club, they help me, they pack my load. Now village they go. Before fake life go finish me for this Lagos. All the money I want short and done this night before I go back.
Ojo, I cannot tell you say that every day for the thief, one day for the owner. You get my time, my 500k toss for your answer. Boy,
hello?
You go down.
Hello?
Come on, knock him down.
Hello?
Hello? Like this your brother don't go down. Your brother get my time, my 500k toss when he has
guys, swear to God, I know now, na wrong number.
Is he waiting? Which wrong number?
Photo. This guy don't test my patience. Boss, who use leg, mash am. I still get like 42 bullets inside here. Listen, as you open this door, make sure say you waste all that 42 bullets for a score. When they score, oh yeah, mash open, don't mash open.
It is finished, no remedy. Papi, you are gone.
Barbecue turkey, chicken thighs, spicy prawns, Chinese fried rice,
Yes, I'm ordering.
salad. For the drinks, I think
Yes, and requesting.
just give me 2 of your most expensive ones. That'll be fine.
Only you. They brought, in fact, stretch out and stretch out. Moto to bring your food. Guests and order. Don't allow guests to order out. Just order for them. Like, in fact, just have to plan it at home before you come to this kind of place. Just tell them, please don't order out. Don't order back.
Hope after all this food, when we get home, hope you still have strength.
What do you mean?
I don't understand, wait. I said, hope after all this food, you still have strength when we get home.
I cannot follow a man on the first date.
Oh, cannot follow a man on the first date. But you can eat all these things on the first date. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy. Feed.
Ah!
I don't know. After you have let me finish the food now.
You want to finish
Don't
by
pay me thanks for coming. Nothing.
How do they think?
Thanks for going.
Now you will not pay the bike.
How do women think?
Wow.
How do they think? This one now is smoking.
Jesus!
Let me give you smoke. Say more fun, go
I think this is how it is. This is if not like this that they do one like if not like this Jesus they do it would have been better. Because they have called my name unnecessarily. Boza. Rubbish. Only use your hand to let's see Jadrolita Ai.
Hello,
Why are you trekking under this hot sun?
Well, there's no means of transport, so we're just, taking a walk.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that.
Thank you.
You can hop in.
Are you serious? Thank you. Come, let's
Thank
go.
you so much.
Not you.
Not me.
Him.
Me? Oh, thank you.
Why? Baby, leave me follow robot.
What?
Babe.
What?
Women supporting women now.
Women supporting which women? Hey. I'm not talk say 20 million for first date.
Babe, you really hate her.
Nah, true. It beat me 2K just now.
Just now.
Will you keep quiet?
Women.
I bet me give her this money, me she dey enter transport.
He's a good man. Take this.
Slap her for Jesus!
Kill him.
I bet keep change, keep change. Now
You can have this to renew your strength. Let me hear what now. Take. Okay. Drink.
Thank you, Roberto. Thank you.
But where's this straw now?
Oh my darling. Oh, come.
This is the opposite. Every time I always see men
With your fake wig.
fellow men girlfriends. But now women snatching our fellow women boyfriend. Lovers of grape, hands up in the air. Hands up in the air. Can you relate? Like it is as if someone joined you to finish it.
God
like,
have mercy upon us.
How did this? How come it finished so soon? When the movie has not even gone to anywhere.
Hey sir, can I start your trip?
Yes now. This one you're frowning. What's wrong with you?
Nothing. Later I see you on Instagram, you face me.
Okay.
This one will Ogb Blaq be driver.
Who is this idiot?
You have to stop it.
I'm from Luxury Prime, sir. I've been trying to talk to you since before you enter into the cab. So yeah, we do real estate. We buy and sell properties. We have luxurious
Because
properties.
of this, you just want to be killed.
Good
You want you risk your life because you want to tell them about your
but just give me the flyer. Okay, sir. Please, I want you to please take it. Oh, no problem. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Driver, can you help me charge my phone for me? Oh, thank you.
Sir, who is this?
Oh, that's my girlfriend.
The lady, 24 hours after a man takes your number, you should bill him to know he is capable, or else you're wasting your time.
Someone that every men are looking for too. So now your boyfriend.
You are crazy because you
are
come and Liganta bus stop. I don't see that girl boyfriend.
You never see anything. You just start.
You don't know I'll be looking for for our boyfriend. You are the one giving her that kind of money. This one, Dino and the Beleben saying, how is this going to end? This one you are rushing, hope it will end well for you. Yeah, Bino is always the victim in this situation. He's only the victim. This one now, you go and catch somebody else. Yeah, I said it. Another person stole your bag. You're holding another person responsible for it. And the way we hold that man, we think he is the one like who stole his bag. They will not leave him alone. When spider bites fat ball.
Somebody help me! Come on, will you quiet? She might slap your voice.
Oh, he's falling in love with the girl. Let's see how he's going to save us since we not bad.
Jesus.
Yeah, very dangerous. Have you ever seen a fat Spider-Man? I've never seen a fat Spider-Man. How can he be functioning like active? Let's see Talkless. Bro, solo man.
Chama. I beg, excuse me.
Sorry, what's up?
Chairman, I beg, no verse.
Okay.
Are they hungry? I don't know if you find me small tomato chop.
Are you playing? What type of plane is this? This is playing.
Now that with the fair God they give for this Lagos. You dey hungry. Wait, as you dey like this now, between me and you be like person never chop.
Oh.
With your big belly, they tell me say I find wetin.
Mega this days pressure
man.
okay.
No reason amo. Not be by big belly. Big belly not be big money. As you say if they going like this, if you even see guy pass me.
I did that self day.
They feel I'm happy. They understand the street now. As any amount, you might chop. I go appreciate them. I beg.
Oh yeah, now I see me I get what I give you.
You know the depress you.
I be me this try to come.
What is that?
What's going on here? It is in a play.
Where me now to come?
Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
Tell man. This is how they carry stone, they walk up and down. What thing they happen now?
Me I say na wetin this guy pass with that too. Aje.
Yes, now for being ungrateful, I will give you something at least. I gave you something. You're not even appreciating.
How many of you remember this guy?
Jesus.
You see, they don't feature that guy. Come, lucky they don't feature him.
That was rich and famous.
I tell you, say, hold this your money well. If not, in the next 1 year, lucky do go feature you. You go see him.
Limau.
But they play football, I go bench him.
Very malam boy, very nasty boy. Beg. Let's see this one. We won't go to football.
Bro, wetin dey stop? Why you coming for my set? Now wetin dey do here? Just dey play ball since. You never wash uniform. Tomorrow na school.
Correct.
You, I dey forget. Why by this time we dey wash uniform normally? I never reach. Come go play ball.
That year, can you relate? You have uniform to watch, you won't watch it. You playing ball when it's already morning. You just start rushing. By that time you are rushing.
Are you there?
Wow, don't show. Have fun.
To make sure you watch it.
But no water.
Please don't give up.
No water. What will come?
And it's already morning.
Boy, now to go river.
Surviving is winning, Franklin. Everything else is bullshit.
Don't do it, bro. We have no option, bro. They even saw some strange things at that time, but they never mind because they wanted to like want to stay.
They know
And they will go to school this morning. They are finally seeing what's happening.
If I'm a place where you know say
It must dry. There is no how you're going to do it. Can you relate? People that do this kind of thing more, they are very stomach to them.
Bro, you got far.
Oba don't ready you. How far you don't ready?
See, bro, my uniform is almost ready, but it just wet small. But don't worry, if I iron am, everywhere good. What flight?
Do you know?
The pains, the torture, the torment, I die not enough.
Do I know?
Do I know?
Come down from this vehicle. Calm down. Holy, calm down. Cut his face. Who are you?
I'm a trader.
You trade. What do you trade?
I trade my Bitcoin and gift card with anti-global exchange. They're the best.
Think it's a joke?
Mr. Man, if I search you, if I say anything with you, what should I do to you?
I don't get anything. Carry me.
What TV this?
Dissolve!
So after you tell me Bitcoin, they tell you, Abi?
No.
See,
What's going on here?
Come on. This go good. It was over, it's sweet. Ah!
You are eating.
Man, never. You know the people don't do money.
Never. Sure you don't chop now. Go find who don't chop. Network na gossip. No stress me.
Simple. How can you be eating and you didn't call me? You do not even call me. Now I want to bring matter.
Okay,
Start talking about gossip.
How much for your pineapple?
6,000.
Pineapple 6,000. Oh, Mary Jerusalem. For Nigeria, you go sell one pineapple 6,000. For waiting, huh?
Okay, you want bad, you don't want bad.
Who should be I want bad? Don't be with a planter. So much I now say dollar don't rise. Now dollar you take plant the pineapple. I better call better price. Be like say you feel say I call your company. And also say last week you not drop off free. This week went past you not drop off free. So I don't take this one as off free. And if you near me, I'll come on your teeth problem. Man, say you see problem. Man, come on your teeth for you. I don't make crazy Christ. Behave yourself. You see the way the country be now? By fire by force. We take it by force. Thank you for watching. Comment and share.
Try so much.
Master. Ididi, be coming down. You don't forget what artist teach you. Have you forgotten Jackie Chan? Take a shot. Yes, master. Ididi. Yes, master. Let's attack.
Don't follow him more.
Ididi.
Jesus.
What is this planet net?
People like say we don't die.
Don't cry. Don't need to contemplate.
Ididi. So we don't enter.
Don't for long talk.
Dangerous move.
Now don't go.
Oh my God! Now me be your new driver now. Too fast, maybe you go drop you for school. I be say now only you be the people when you want to drop for school.
These guys don't spoil me. It is bad habit.
P for park, D for drive, sharp. Okay. Put your seatbelt mode in motion. Razor.
Who are you? They put seatbelt.
You don't know how to drive. It's me you want to carry. I don't move. I know they go school today.
You think it's a joke?
Don't know how to drive. You run it. Yoruba versus Igbo man.
You get Bobo.
Carefully watch this because we have a review on
Awkward motor. I don't get her. No, you know. Shana Siana be this. Siana Lele. This Siana how much? Yes, how much? Siana Lele. This one how much? Lele 50,000 Lele. Okay, now 25 now. If I can't tip am, eba wa ji na. Eba wa je ma wo le isha. Eba wa ji. 25,000. Mo ra ni. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni ko si ko mi wa jare kiri na. Bí ba de ta le mi ko se mo ni ta lọ́la ni. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni ko si ko mi wa jare kiri na. Ẹ lọ́jà, eba wa ji na. If I can't tip am ni. Ẹ lọ́jà. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni ko si ko mi wa jare kiri na. Okay?
Chairman,
Igbo man shop. Let's see how
no worry,
it
sit
goes.
down there, Chairman. What you want back? Okay, me.
You get master brake for Volvo.
Volvo. I don't get a master brake, but you get one of my brother we get to make a call on for you.
Should I get this Siana?
Siana,
This Siana how much?
Chairman. Siana.
Bia ekene ki na eba na eme. Isi gi je cho customer you just no eba na na. Je wetere customer bottle water so. Je wetere mmiri. Chairman, this one at 50,000 naira, chairman. See, na direct to Kumbo. Complete like this, 50,000. Yeah, me the chairman, no vex, this one at 50,000 naira, I got me. A 50k be this one.
I know 50k.
How much you want pay, I got me?
I feel pay 30,000.
30,000 na money, but you know say this market now don't cost. Now money we take the buyer, Mogami. Sure you go pay 45,000. My do 45,000 make I arrange and now for 45,000 chairman. 45. Make I arrange. Bia the customer receipt never. The group was sitting na. Can I make this boy? All the go be make up on boy. Chairman no worry go arrange and now finish Ogami. Most to give the customer receipt. Not a go. He never know bogo.
What account number?
I might give you the account number. I'll give you. Okay, the chairman. This one I want if you just put up for motor, you don't get problem. You don't get problem. The same price, he never knows who are with this boy. Okay, you don't get problem, chairman. Welcome, man. Make him finish. May write the receipt for me. Do more things, organ. If the receipt now, check out this boy. How many years can you go there? So see the ordinary receipt. Can you go get done? Chairman, no vex. You don't get problem. Just go tell customer buy never full of Ogami go buy back for you. Welcome, chairman. Next time, now go see. So you never got wine.
Shot by magic color. All right, thank you guys for watching this comedy reaction, and I believe you enjoy this wonderful comedy compilation. And please, before you go, subscribe and turn on post notification bell icon, and also don't forget to like, share this video to all your social media platforms. So guys, concerning the previous video we just watched, like Yoruba man and the Igbo man, like the Yoruba versus the Igbo man, you know, there are a lot of people actually talking about it. You know, a lot of people are actually talking about it on social media, Instagram to be precise. You know, when I first saw the video, I said to myself, I must bring this video down to my people here for us to deliberate on it, because I saw so many attacks, so many bashing from Yorubas to Igbo, from Igbos to Yorubas, like they were bashing each other, and I decided to come up with my own conclusion, like my own point of view concerning this. So first of all, I will advise everyone doing business to be patient. You know, if you want to be a successful businessman or businesswoman, you just have to be patient, and you just have to learn how to approach, like how to talk to customers, because not everyone doing business knows how to talk to their customers. Like I've bought a lot of things outside, and I can attest to that. There are a lot of people who actually don't know how to approach their customers. Like when you're trying to price on certain commodity, they will try to like want to fight you. They will see it as if you're trying to contend them, like trying to spoil their business. They will just like attack you and tell you to go away. You don't know how to, if you don't want to buy, go, stop coming to my shop to price, all this kind of thing. They will just yell at you, and at the end of the day, they will lose that customer. So you would think, it's my right, I have right to shout at my customer when the price when the price too low. I have the right. It's my right to, I'm supposed to shout at them, all this kind of thing. So by so doing, you'll be losing customer, but you won't know you'll be losing customer. For example, if 10 customers are supposed to come your way, you will lose 5, and 5 will come to you, and you say, and God provide 5, I'm happy. No, you are not happy, because when you have not seen the best, you will think the better is the best. When you have not seen the best, you will think the better is the best, honestly. But when you have these skills, how to talk to customers, how to approach them, like, you know, how to address them, even when they price what they are not supposed to price below, you know, your expectation, you just have to like know how to handle or sort it out with them, like how the Igbo man, you know, sort it out with his customer. You know, you need to see how he approached the customer. Even when the customer was pricing, he never got offended. It was like, oh no, we use money to buy this kind of thing, so you don't expect me to sell like that. Just use your mouth to be, just have a sweet mouth. And at the end of the day, the man bought everything that he went there to buy, and he bought everything. But at that Yoruba's man shop, the man didn't buy anything because the man was just so hostile, like so hostile, yelling at the customer. Who does that? No one will patronize you. So that is my own point of view. Like that is my own advice for everyone doing business. And secondly, for them to like use Yoruba and Igbo to make this illustration, I think they are wrong. They are wrong because I would say all tribe does this kind of thing. All tribe does it. Like all tribe does it. So no tribe is free from all this. No tribe, Benio, Hausa, Igbo, Delta, Warri, Saple, Urobo. All tribe does this, not only Igbo and Yoruba. Oh. So for them to use Igbo and Yoruba, I think they are getting it wrong. Like this comment, you need to see this comment. Just check out this comment. Let's see what these people say concerning this comment before I proceed. So guys, I hope you've read what these people say concerning this comment. So my own is this: we don't have to refer it to Hausa and Yoruba because they will end up fighting themselves, insulting themselves. Because what I got in the comment, like people were like saying that not all, not be Hausa they do this thing, or Igbo people can also do it. Yes, Igbo people also does this kind of thing. Some you meet some Igbo people to buy something, they will shout at you, they will even drive you, they will even vex with you as if you both had quarrel before. So you also meet some Yoruba guys, want to buy something from them, even you try to offend them, they will not still get offended. They will still like make sure you buy that thing before you leave. So it is just based on individual. It is based on you, like the individuals. It is not based on the tribe. There is no tribe that doesn't have bad people. All tribe have bad people among them, whether Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, or Bini, or any tribe, Igara, or all of them, they have bad people and they also have good people. So I believe we should not like see Yoruba people like those people who does this kind of thing. Not only them, there are people, there are Igbo people that even if you go to an Alaba market, you will still jam some untrained, unskillful Igbo man selling in Alaba market as I speak. Onitsha market, go there, you still see Igbo man that will shout at you when you price something there. They never expected you to price. They will still shout at you there. So I'm just trying to like let you know that it is not based on tribe. It is not based on tribe. It is based on our personal self. Yes, it is based on you and I. They still see Yoruba people, they're not trained. They see now, so it's still there for Igbo when they're not trained. So that is how it is. Not bringing all this kind of thing out. I love what he actually passed. Like what this guy was actually passing. What I really get. I just actually saw the video and I picked something from it. I never mind what they did by using Igbo and this, but I just picked something. What I picked is what I used to advise people. Like try to be friendly with our customer, when and how to talk to our customer, because the aim at the end of the day is for you to sell something. It's not, you are not going to your shop to quarrel anybody. You are going to your shop to make sure you convince, like you are friendly to your customer to make sure they buy whatsoever you're selling. That is your aim of leaving the house to your shop, honestly. So I think that is the only thing I derive from there, what these people are trying to illustrate. But for using Yoruba and Igbo, I think it is not nice, honestly. It is not nice, it's not nice because there are also Igbo people that does these things. There are also Yoruba people that does these things. So what are we now saying? So it's based on yourself. It is based on we individuals. It's not based on all this tribe. So I believe everyone gets what I'm trying to say in this video. All right, guys, let me see your funny scene in this comedy compilation. What scenes thrilled you the most? comment it below, and also don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you've not subscribed and you've been watching Crity React. You are not doing us any good. You are not doing us any good. All right, guys, I'm wrapping up right now. We're going to see you guys on our next comedy compilation video, and the next one, expect banger from us. Have a wonderful time and peace out.